to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. Okay, I'm gonna add a few. Hi.
Hello.
Hi there, what's up?
Hi. Oh my.
What's your name?
Pfizer from London.
You're from London?
Yes.
Wow. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Did you hear my new song Next to Me?
I did, and I loved it. I didn't think you would accept my video call.
No, but I did. I'm searching for a lot of fans online and I'm trying to add them. So yeah.
Okay, so one request. Can you please sing Boldo Zara?
Bol do na zara.
Yes, please.
Okay. What's your name again?
Pfizer from London.
Faiza. Okay. So this is Bol do na zara for Faiza from London.
Yeah.
इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना मैं डूब न जाऊं कहीं बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा मैं किसी से कहूंगा नहीं.
Thank you so much.
So that was Bol Do Na Zara for you.
Thank you.
Hope you liked it. I'm going to move on to another fan.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and thanks,
See you.
guys.
Have a nice day. Take care. Bye. Okay, a lot of people are saying आप सिर्फ लड़कियों को लाइव लेके जा रहे हो, लड़कों को भूल जा रहे हो. तो मैं देखता हूँ भाई, क्योंकि बाकी सब जो भी अकाउंट्स है आई एम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू ऐड. आई हैव added quite a few. I had added quite a few guys, but accept हो ही नहीं पा रहा था. But let's see. अब लड़कों की बात. हेलो,
हेलो,
आपका नाम क्या है?
सोहेल खान.
सोहेल खान.
सोहेल खान.
हाँ हाँ,
सोहेल खान.
स्पेलिंग क्या है उसका?
SUHEEL.
अच्छा, आप कैसे हो? कहाँ से हो आप?
हनुमंत, कर्नाटका.
कर्नाटका.
हाँ सर.
आप कन्नड़ा बात करते हो?
हाँ, तुम्हें?
आपने गाना सुना है मेरा कन्नड़ा में?
हाँ, बहुत सुना है.
कौन सा?
तो तारक फिल्म का बिरुगाड़ी वो सॉन्ग.
ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ
यस सर.
ಕಿರುದೀಪ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. That one?
हाँ यस सर.
आपका फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है?
तुम्हारा फुल सॉन्ग हमारा फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
अच्छा, सब सॉन्ग फेवरेट है आपका?
हाँ सर.
चलो ग्रेट. मैं बहुत खुश हुआ आज आपसे बात करके.
हाँ सर.
प्लीज टेक केयर. आप जहाँ पे भी हो सेफ रहो.
ओके सर.
ओके.
हाँ सर.
और सभी आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं जो भी कर्नाटका से, सबको मेरा प्यार उनको
हाँ
कहना.
सर.
ठीक है.
हाँ सर.
ओके, बाय.
ओके बाय सर.
So that was Suhil from Karnataka. Okay, I'm adding. Okay, I'm not being able to add. It's so messed up. Okay. Please forgive me, guys. I've been trying to add a lot of fans, but I don't know why it's just not adding for some reason. There's some why I can't add people. Natania, let's get Natania on the live. So I'm waiting for Natanya to come live. Natanya's written next to me, with me, and Control as well. And she's been a huge part of my English music journey. So let's wait for Natanya. Natanya, are you coming? Okay, so I think Natanya is not being able to come to the live. No idea why. Okay, I've added another guy because guys are getting angry. They think I'm only taking girls on the live. ऐसा नहीं है भाई, मैं ऐसा क्यों cheating क्यों करूँगा? And I really can't press on the button.
Hello. Chandrapal Nath here.
I can't see you, bro.
You can't see me. Can you see me now?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
Wait, I can see myself as well.
Oh, wait. See, this is the issue I'm facing. I'm not being able to add anyone. If I'm adding someone, they're not being able to see me, or I can't see them. This is messed up. Okay. Maithili Thakur. Yes, there's some glitch, I guess. Yeah, I think there's some glitch. I have no idea. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello. I'm Chinmay. Hi. How are you?
Chinmay. Hi. Where are you from, Chinmay?
I'm from Gujarat, but now in Mumbai.
Okay. Are you safe?
Yeah. Very well.
Okay. Good. What's up? Did you
Yeah,
hear
how
my
are
new
you?
song? I released a new song today.
Yeah. I like it very much.
Do you listen to English songs usually?
Yeah.
But did you ever
How are
imagine
you?
me singing English songs?
No, not much. But now it's too good
I'm going
to
to
hear
release a
you.
lot of English songs. That's why I'm asking you. Do you like me singing English songs? Do you enjoy
Yeah. Yeah. Please do.
Okay, great.
How's your lockdown?
Yeah, for sure. So, where are you originally from? Ahmedabad.
No, I'm from Valsad,
Okay. But
near Surat.
what's your language? What's your mother tongue?
Gujarati.
Gujarati. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Can you sing one song? मैं हूँ तेरा हीरो.
मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. मैं हूँ तेरा hero
Yeah,
is
yeah.
different. मैं हूँ
Yeah,
तेरा
yeah.
hero is that Palat wala song. That is not my song.
No, not that one. Not that one.
मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. I'll sing मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. Okay, done. ये noise क्या है भाई पीछे?
No noise.
There's some lot of noise coming in. Okay, now it's better. दिल है ये सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा मैं
Yo,
हूँ
thank you.
हीरो तेरा. That was Hero for you.
Yo, thank you very much.
Lots of love. I'm gonna add another fan now. I'm gonna take you off.
Yo,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Good night. Take care.
Good night.
There's some irritating noise happening in his live. I couldn't even sing for the first half. The Perpetual Daydreamer. Who's your favorite DJ? Bhai, तुझे तो पता है who's my favorite DJ. I am a huge fan of Zed. He's one of my favorite DJs ever, DJ producer. And after Zed's obviously Kashmir, one of my favorite producers again. And a few days back, I discovered this new artist called Kaze or Kaze. I don't know how do you pronounce that, but these three are some of my favorite DJs. And last but not the least, Marshmello, one of my favorite DJs. I love his music. I love the way he incorporates pop with his music. It's brilliant. So yeah, these are my 4 favorite DJs. But yeah, Zed is one of my most favorite. I love him. I love Zed. Zed is I wish to do a song with Zed once. I hope that comes true. Now that I'm already singing in English, I hope that Zed and I can do something together. Sanjoy, song is amaze. Can't wait for you to crush this scene. Thank you, Sanjoy. Lots of love. We should do something very, very soon. And like we spoke, I think we should do something for the Bangla scene because I love singing in Bengali and you are Bengali. So I would love to do something. And yeah, you should go for it. Perpetual Daydreamer, Next to Me Kashmir remix. I am down for sure. I mean, that would be so unexpected. Next to Me Kashmir, different worlds. It'd be amazing. Insane. Let's add a few fans before I leave. I'm not able to add. Why am I not able to add?
मीलों के है फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने है सिलसिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम
So that was an Atif Aslam mashup. I love even this song of his.
पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा
That was an Atif Aslam mashup. I love all these songs. Some of my favorite songs. Most of them are by Pritam sir, and the combo has just been amazing. Even
तेरा होने लगा हूँ खोने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ
love that song. I love all these songs. Such amazing songs. Such gems. So yeah, randomly went into an Atif Aslam mashup because of one fan requesting his songs. But yeah, this live session has been quite amazing. Please sing a song of Sonu Nigam sir. Wow, I'd love to sing something of Sonu sir. He's one of my favorite singers. There's so many. I mean, there's
तुमको भी है खबर मुझको भी है पता हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता
one of my favorite songs. I've sung this on the stage of Little Champs as well. Saregamapa. So yeah, this has been a very special song. And even Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, one of my all-time favorites of Sonu sir. He has sung some massive songs. Love all of them. Sing something for us nurses who are in duty now. Wow, I would love to. Wait, which song can I dedicate? Can you recommend me which song should I dedicate? There's so many songs. I'm just confused. So many songs I've already sung. I don't know which song to sing. But I think Main Rahun is a great song to dedicate at any point of time. So
हवाओं में लिपटा हुआ मैं गुजर जाऊंगा तुमको छू के अगर मन हो तो रोक लेना ठहर जाऊंगा लबों पे मिला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा, तू जीता रहा, तेरे लिए वो मरता रहा.
These are some of the songs I would like to dedicate to all the doctors and nurses on the front line who are saving lives every second, every minute, and saving all of us from so many health issues. So thank you, all the whole medical staff and everyone on the front line. Well, I've been on this live for 1.5 hours, and this is insane. Vardhan Puri has just joined in. What's up, Vardhan? Let's take you live. Vardhan, have you requested me? Wait. Vardhan, request me and then I can sing Hawa Banke from your movie. I think a lot of my fans would like to hear that song. Okay, I think I can't find his request. I'm gonna anyways sing Hawa Banke.
हवा बनके जो तू आए, तुझे खुशबू बना दूंगा, तू कोई हो जुबां जानम, तुझे उर्दू बना दूंगा.
I'm gonna see if I can add some few more people, but okay, I think there's some issue with this live in some way. I don't know what, some glitches are happening. But yeah, I want to just end this live with a last performance of Next to Me. So
I've been going round and round in circles now. Without you, I'm losing my mind, losing my mind. All I want is you next to me.
So yeah, that was Next to Me for you guys. Keep streaming, keep sharing. I want you all to keep listening to the song on all the streaming platforms, wherever you are comfortable listening to the song. Phela do. Tell everyone that this song has come out. Give it all your love. Share it with your loved ones, because that's the intention of the song. We are missing a lot of people at this point of time, and the way we can connect with them is to share good music and connect with them on a musical level. I think music is such a great tool to reach out to people and just express. So share this with all your loved ones, and I'm going to see you very soon. Ending this live. It's been so much fun to chat with you all. I know बहुत सारे issues हुए on this live, trying to get people on, and some of the videos weren't working, but I tried my best. Ending this live, I won't be able to save this one because this was like a second live. It doesn't make sense to save this, but yeah, I'm gonna keep coming live, and I love you all. You guys are amazing. Love you. I think Handsome wants to come into the room. Handsome wants to come here. Handsome wants to come here. He wants to come here. Once I'm on the live, Okay, Handsome, come. Handsome, come. Hi. I can't hear you. The wind is causing a lot of noise. No, wait. Let's show Handsome to everyone. Wait, Baba. Wait.